is aware, I think this month will represent 25 years since the decriminalisation of homosexuality by the then Minister Margaret Geoghegan Quinn. And as we know, for far too many decades and beyond, members of our LGBT community were wrongly discriminated against, and indeed many were convicted simply on charges of being gay. And in the UK, Turing's Law was passed to pardon all those who were convicted before decriminalisation was introduced. I'm aware in the Northern Assembly has passed a motion, likewise calling for a pardon. Given the 25th anniversary, could the Government indicate whether it intends to bring legislation forward in this House to achieve a similar objective, namely to pardon all those who would have been convicted? And it's not back to a latter era. I mean, up to the mid-70s, I think up to 50 people were prosecuted.
Time is up, Deputy Taoiseach.
Would be appreciative of the Government's response to that.